Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
Realme's latest phone in India is the Realme 3. This phone features MediaTek Helio P70 processor and has a starting price of Rs 8,999. But how does it perform? Well, here is our review of the Realme 3. With a water drop notch on top, the design of Realme 3 is nothing new, but its back manages to impress. The device has a gradient textured back, which is a fingerprint magnet but pleasing to look at, so no complaints here. Realme 3 has a 6.22-inch HD Plus display, which is bright and completely visible even under direct sunlight. I personally like the face unlock feature of the device, which works as fast as the fingerprint sensor at the back. The MediaTek Helio P70 processor handles most daily tasks easily. In my usage of the device, I did not experience any lag, but it does show stutter and frame drops while playing graphic-heavy games like PUBG Mobile or Asphalt 9, though this is a budget phone. The device runs Android 9 Pie operating system with company's ColorOS 6.0 skin on top, of which I am not a fan. It has come a long way since its inception, but it still needs a lot of work. In terms of camera performance, Realme 3's 13+2MP dual camera setup does a good job with outdoor shots taken in daylight, but it lacks details. Indoor shots with artificial lighting are okay, but low light shots have too much noise. Realme 3 has also given the Chroma Boost mode in the camera app, which oversaturates the colors in the picture. While it did not impress me, some users may actually like it. The phone has also got a nightscape mode, which makes a night shot visible, but the picture still has a lot of noise. The front camera takes excellent selfies with the option to enable or disable the beautification mode. Even when the beauty effect is on, it does not make the subject unnatural with skin smoothing. In terms of battery performance, Realme 3 clearly shines. The 4260 mAh battery lasted close to 2 days with my daily usage including watching videos, browsing social media, making calls, using WhatsApp web, etc. Realme 3 does not support fast charging and takes more than 2 hours to get to the full battery mark. So what's our verdict for Realme 3? This has an all-rounder performance and gets most of it right too. It ticks all the right boxes with good performance, good battery backup and a truly stylish back. Realme could have worked some more on the rear camera, but being a budget phone, the phone is surely worth your money.